What
by
is up, guys?
Toby.
Today we're
He's
recording
pretty Sigma.
Animal Company for the first time. And so we've played this game before, so we have about a couple grand.
We're pretty Sigma.
And we're gonna go explore. And guys, hey, go over there for a sec. Guys, today we're gonna be trying to blow him up. Alright, you ready, bro?
I'm going to sewers.
Alright, go to sewers. I just gotta do something with my VR. I'll be down in 1 sec.
Yeah, you say that, but you're gonna be a long time.
I'm coming down now. Are you down there?
Yeah.
Just wait at the place where you fell. Like, when you fall down, wait at that place.
Yeah, I'm falling down.
Alright, jump. Grenade. Let's see, did I kill him? Yeah. Awesome.
Oh, I'm coming.
You're welcome. Does anybody
No, bro, I
know
didn't
what's
even
up
die. I don't.
there? Bro, I threw a grenade down.
Oh, good. I'm coming.
I just threw a grenade down.
Where?
No, when you were going down, I chucked a grenade.
Nah, bro, that was you.
Yes.
I hate you, bro.
You're welcome. Alright, where do we go?
I'll say we start over here.
Wait. No, I think we gotta go to
can't
the,
go this
like,
way.
where
It's
the red
blocked
light,
off.
green light is.
Wow.
Touch it and you like
Don't go
woman.
there, okay, it's scary and it hurts. Okay.
Oh yeah, that part. Hey, do you wanna... I'm gonna throw this flashlight. Yeah, so basically when you're going down, I threw a grenade behind you.
Do you want the crowbar?
I want like some
Do you have a
help.
crowbar?
No, I'm too broke.
Damn it.
Move if you like, kids.
Sigma.
I'm dead.
Yeah, you are.
There's no way I'm alive. I heard a weird splatter noise. Oh my god, money. Bro, there's a gold
I'm so
bar.
Sigma.
Get the gold bar. Let's get protein,
Let's play
man.
football. Welcome.
Put it in your bag. It's not in.
Oh, why didn't it go in?
I just threw your flashlight. Somewhere over there.
Where?
Somewhere over there.
Wow.
Good luck. Oh, protein man. Oh no, it's a bomb. It's a bomb.
I got Ruby.
Move if you like, kids. I see protein man.
Bro, wait.
Alright, go in and get hit by him. Where did you get your flashlight?
Wait. Suicide bombers there.
Yeah, no shit.
Found me.
Did you get your flashlight? Hit him, not me. Hit him. Good. And that was the end.
But you don't understand, I had a ruby and a gold bar in that backpack, you bet.
And that's how he died.
That is so valuable.
Help me.
I'm gonna get some crowbars.
And that was the end.
But I'm literally getting 3 crowbars.
Bro, he literally smacked you onto the goo. Yo, bro, hurry up. Hello?
I just got us 2 crowbars each, okay?
Okay, well, I don't need one. I honestly don't need one.
So I just spent over 1,000 and you didn't.
Yeah, bro, I don't need one.
No, but we're killing them though. We're gonna kill the enemy.
You're killing him. Hey, while you're there, your bag is on some goo. Hello? There is no way I'm going in there alone. Hey bro, can you hurry up a bit?
I think I just wasted 2,000 monkey dollars.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah, I died again.
Bro, where are you?
I'm coming down to the sewers now.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get my backpack.
Yeah, it's on some goo. Yeah, I can hear you.
I am just going to get my backpack with the 2 crowbars.
Got it. If you can, buy a grenade.
Bro, are you kidding?
Why? Where are you?
I'm in the sewers now.
Okay, well, hurry up. It's scary, fam. You better hurry up. Come with me.
Did it.
Alright, well,
Successfully
hurry
killed.
up, hurry up. I'm pointing the flashlight. Wait, what if I just... I'm gonna make it pitch black. Nah, bro, seriously. Why did you destroy red light, green light? Now you can't see. You know it respawns.
Yeah.
Just get here already.
Wait for my light. I'm here.
I see you, I'm right behind you. Just kill Protein Man. Suicide bomber! I might be dead. Oh my god, fam. I just made it. You need to go in first. Kill Protein Man.
Come on.
He's behind you.
Is he?
Well, he went to the right.
I need a flashlight now. I need a flashlight, come on. I know where to go.
Alright, go then.
No, I need to know where I'm going, so you need to hold the flashlight.
Okay. Here he is. Here he is. Here he is. Help me. Help me. Help me. Please help. Go, kill him. Go, go, go. Oh, gold bar. this way. Oh, another gold bar. Get the other
Get the gold bar.
Get it. Okay, calm down.
Gotta say please.
Please.
Okay.
I put it in the bag. Put it in my bag. Put it in. Oh, no, that's my flashlight.
I know where to go and you don't.
Yeah. I do know where to go, but I just need to see.
Okay.
Oh no. No. Where are the crowbars?
We fell down, so we fell down together.
Right. Alright, you go first. I got this. I just need to...
Wait.
Or do you want to go get the chicken?
Oh, nah, bro. There's so many valuable stuff down
Bro,
there.
we can just kill it.
Oh, yeah, let's go. That's why you need to sell stuff, son. So you can be rich to buy stuff and then sell some more stuff.
Oh, I just accidentally clicked the Oculus menu.
Womp womp.
Alright, I'm just gonna roll the grenade to it.
That's the point of me having a crowbar.
No,
You
I got a
sick
grenade.
moves. Why do I have a crowbar?
Dunno. Okay, you
I
ready?
think crowbars are just goaded. Okay, just roll it on the ground. That was...
Alright, go kill it with a crowbar. Let's get the egg.
Kill them.
Before it respawns. Oh, Oculus menu. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, how would you feel if I just dropped this? I'm gonna go from...
I mean, I got a gold bar as well.
Hey, bro, come over here. Hey, bro. Bro.
I'm not being scared because I know you wouldn't.
Wait, why are you not being scared?
Because I know you won't.
Alright, come over here then. Come. Alright, bro, I guess you're not gonna see it.
I'm coming.
It's gone.
I hate you so much.
You said you knew I wasn't gonna do it. So I had to do it.
I thought I was going to be smart for once.
What?
Nothing. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. 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 Wait, what's happening? Wait. Wait.
Nice. Oh well, I think that's literally more than the egg. Making my way downtown, walking by.
Walking fast, faces fast, and I'm home now.
Suicide bomb.
I want my crowbar. Dumbo.
Alright, come. Come, let's go explore. Come here,
I don't have a
man.
bag. I need a bag. You didn't kill me! No way, you didn't kill me!
Alright, come.
Kill me!
Wait, what's this
You
box?
didn't kill me, bro.
What's this box over here?
Wait.
Wait, nah. What's that box? Alright, let's go.
I'm just gonna throw the grenade at me. Oh, hell no.
Okay, fine.
Come on, let's go.
Wait, one sec. I'm going down to get a flashlight. Alright, I got a flashlight. Where you at?
Angler's Cave.
Alright, bet. Just wait at the entrance.
Okay.
Alright, coming. Where you at? Bro, where you at?
Oh, you know, I just went to chicken, you know.
What?
Oh yeah, I just went to chicken.
I was gonna kill you. Bro, are you serious? Wait, what's that in your hand?
It's a crowbar. It's a crowbar.
It's suicide.
I nearly fell.
Oh my god, it's laid another egg.
Is he actually?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll bet you it has it. Oh shit.
Throw the
Yeah,
grenade.
let's go, let's go. Take it. Run. Oh my god. I hate you so much.
Wait, let's just wait for it to lay another egg. Huh? Wait, I need some money.
This time I'm taking care of it, okay?
Wait, let's do the little swipsy swap.
Let's go.
It will never know. The chicken's never gonna know.
Toby. Hodge.
Yay!
Excuse me.
That's not funny. I was hoping you would do it.
You know I would never do that.
Bro, come on. You're so lame.
Okay, I'll do it then.
Yes.
Do it then.
Yes.
Watch.
Yes, do it. Yes.
Did you throw it? Yes!
Entertainment.
Back again.
I...
With a second egg.
Oh my god. Wait, is there two eggs? Dylan. I mean, Sheffy. What happened? No. Hey bro, I wonder because you killed it, would it spawn another egg?
No.
Making my way downtown, walking by paces past my own too late. I'm actually gonna sell it now. I'm gonna sell it now for real.
Thank you. Good sir.
Just give me my money.
Give me my money.
Dang, that Coke can
Wait,
was
get
worth
in, get
17.
in. Wait, get in, get in.
Oh, let's play that game.
Yeah, get in. Okay, come on.
Okay, you ready?
Okay. Nah, bro, you tried. No, I'm getting the shotgun.
No, don't do it. I bet you can't even afford it. Bet you can't
It's
afford it.
10,000.
Yeah. Whoa.
Shut up, bro.
Okay, I'm sorry. We'll play properly. Okay, I'm sorry. What the fuck?
Don't play dummy with me.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, bro, get in. Okay, bro, I'll get in.
Let's go absolutely obliterate the chicken with this.
Wait, come on, let's play it properly now. You can go first. Okay. Get in.
But no, I still have the flag on.
Alright, get in. I'll actually click one.
Okay. Get out. No, not today, bro. Not today.
Okay, for real now, No, nothing.
No, I'm gonna go absolutely obliterate the chicken. Goodbye.
Alright, no, come. You
I'm
want
gonna kill the chicken
fine.
with the flag
Let's go.
Guys, this is the first time ever recording
Olay.
somebody absolutely obliterating a chicken with a flag on.
Come back to spawn.
No,
I have a problem.
we do not.
I might have stepped on a landmine.
What's the problem?
I've stepped on a landmine. Come save me.
I'm killing the chicken.
We need to do a swap. What was that?
It didn't work. Abort mission. It did not work.
I saw that flare.
Did you actually?
Yeah. Hey, but I wonder if you if you were on a grenade, I mean like a landmine, and then you like switched it or something, would you survive?
Oh yeah, let's see.
Are you at the chicken? Cause I got a grenade.
Bruh. Okay, let's test it out. Where's the
Alright, step on it, and like on the side, and like switch it or something. Oh my god, I gotta smell this. I heard his house is good. I guess you didn't survive.
Yeah, level 1 million. Yeah, turn around real quick. Boom, 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 boom.
Whoa. Okay, let's go to the chicken.
Wait, actually stop. I need to.
Your turn.
Can I go like that?
And you gotta shake.
Wait. Can I put my hand on it and then it like goes? Wait.
You do
No,
it, but you
no.
gotta shake your controllers. Yeah. Alright, let's go to the chicken.
I'll absolutely kill him with a grenade. First time
I have
someone's
a
ever killed a
grenade. Do
chicken
you
with
have a grenade?
I'm gonna go. Alright,
Hey kids, this is how you
I also
blow
might
up
be up a
someone.
little Timmy. Ooh.
You know what we need in this
I'm trying
game?
not to be like Dr. Disrespect and Drake.
We
but
need an
I don't think
AK-47.
I can.
I wonder if he laid another
To be
egg.
honest, I'm better throwing it than you.
1,
Go.
2,
Pass.
3, 4.
What the hell
Oh
was that?
shit!
You know what? No, go read the bait. I'll get it. I'll get the egg. Read the bait and I'll get the egg. Come on, get closer, get closer. Get closer, like a few more steps. It's probably a beaver. No, just read the bait. It's still reading.
Hey chicken.
He didn't lay an egg.
Oh my god. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end to today's episode.